Boom! Sanibonani babukele ekhaya. This is Kota and Chill and this is your new presenter uHulumeni. Uzonda bamthanda indoda engahleki namadoda ihleka nabafazi ngoba iyazothola ubumnandi. Sise football bafethu where we chilling hleli nesiphalaphala esihle intokazi enhle madoda. Ene dream yokuthi ifisa ukuthi ibe imodel yabo. So now we are about to interview this beautiful woman esihleli naye manje. Azozazisa phambi kwenu, but before izinto eyibhaya please ningakhohlwa bafethu ukusubscribe ukulike to our channel, you understand. So siswami ngicela ukubingelela, sabona njani?
Sawubona, ngiyaphila.
Ngiyaphila nami. Ngicela usichazele ukuthi ubani wena.
Igama lami uPhilani kwaKhumalo.
Yeah.
I am 20 years old. Ngiphuma eDikloof.
Yeah.
Zone 2. Yeah. I'm a young girl with dreams. I have a dream engifisa ukuthi liphumelele.
Yeah.
I am one person of creative, outspoken, I am open and direct. Into mangifuna nje ngiyayenza and I ensure ukuthi ngiyayithola.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's who I am.
So siswami kuyo yonke into wakhetha modeling. Why modeling?
I think from ngisakhula I saw a potential ukuthi okay, I think ngine potential ukuthi ngiyenze lento le because back I think it was a graduation, a crash.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's when I took lento le ukuthi okay, ngiyayithanda lento le because besimodela, but then I had no clue and bengingakazi nokuthi okay, into engizofuna ukuyenza vele ngisakhula. Yeah. So yeah.
So usiswethu yena usafunda or uqedile?
No, I'm not studying. Angifundi, ngiqeda matric wami 2023.
Yeah, bofunda kuphi?
I was studying Fonts.
Fonts. Yeah, that's a great school. Ngiyasazi lesa sikole siyafundisa. Shout out to Fonts guys. Fonts zakhipha la bayafundisa. Ubheke babheke into enhle kanjani. Cabanga nje siphalaphala sentombi. So njengoba la siswami I can see ufake i-safety belt la and it looks nice on you and yakufanele. So ngicela ubachazele ukuthi kungani ufake le safety belt le kule journey yakho yahambayo.
Okay, so I applied last year. Ngabona nje i-poster Miss Gauteng pageants, if you want to join.
Yeah.
Click here nakanje nakanje. Okay. Then ngathatha number yabo. And then I started joining, but then bengi nama doubts. I was anxious because kuningi nje man ma umuntu uba yabo. So ithe when ama votes aqala ke I publish and then I asked people to vote because you were supposed to gather a certain vote to be a semi-finalist to the position manje.
Yeah.
So I have primarily struggled in support.
Yeah.
But kwenzeka mani ngomusa yabo ukuthi ngiwathola ama vote.
Can I ask una agents?
Yeah.
You have agents. Yeah. That's nice.
Yeah.
Okay.
So ngawathola ke ama vote, but then it's not about votes.
Yeah.
Ngibonile ukuthi it's not about votes. You might have votes, but then masifika lapha you need to present yourself ngendlela nawe uchaza amajaji ukuthi okay
noma usuwinile
usho ukuthi winele for the position. So I got searched last week Saturday.
Yeah.
17 Saga May. So I'm a finalist, top 10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I was challenging ama difficulties ukuthi uzufike la kuma semi-finalist. Ama difficulties odlule kuwo banjani abantu enenza yonke le competition nabo? Are they abantu abakusupportayo nabo self noma niyamonelana? Take us there ukuthi si understand ukuthi ijourney yakho since wayiqala ke lento le njengoba namhlanje usula.
Okay, sometimes you need to know ukuthi akusiwo wonke umuntu ozokuthanda.
Yeah.
So when I got there bekuyisikhathi sokuqala ukubabona kumitha nabo because there are different races, whites, coloreds, blacks, yabo.
Yeah.
So because I like angisungumuntu yabo.
Yeah.
Mangifika endaweni ngiqala ngiyabona ukuthi
Uba-
okay, how's the energy? How should I approach people and stuff?
Yeah.
So bakhona besikhuluma nabo, bakhona nje futhi I'm not trying to say abantu abamhlophe banjanjani, but then they isolated themselves from blacks.
Yeah.
Yabo.
No, that's
But
true.
then we managed ukuthi thina sibe
Yeah.
ku top 10.
Yeah.
Yeah, so my difficulties are, I don't think I have ones. Into nje engistruggle ngayo is
Support.
but
Guys, cela nenze into right. Please nimsupport, please nimvotele guys.
Yeah.
Njengoba la uzocela nini uzoncenga nini. So ngicela nenzeni into right guys. Batshele. Ungasaba abantu bakho la. Bangiduze kubo batshele.
ngiyanicela emakhaya ngiyanicela, please do support me. Mawuyintombazane, cela ungibhekele nje, please support
Ushiye
me.
nama details.
Just to vote. Yeah, ngizothumela ama details ukuthi how to vote and stuff.
Yeah. All right, that's nice. Guys, italente liyinto eyisibusiso kakhulu, yabo. Isibusiso esiphuma kuNkulunkulu. So if uNkulunkulu akubusisile wakupha italente and wazama ukusebenzisa lelo talente, uyazama naye ukuthi akubeke kwemanye ama position. Njengamanje my sister lana uthi ukwenye position whereby sekayolwela ukuthi abe uMiss Gauteng, yabo. So siyacela ukuthi nawe mawunalo italent ungagive up kwitalente lakho. Keep on doing what you love, keep on showing up. uNkulunkulu uzoyiphendula imithandazo yakho. Siswami, so ever since ever since usuphushile waphusha, iziphi ezinye izinto ofisa ukuyiphusha manje besides asithi ngaphandle kobumodel yini okunye ofisa ukukwenza okuthandayo okwazi ukukwenza? Mhlambe nje ufihlile nje ngabo lobuhle bakho hleli nabo la ngemodeling kantweni kwazi nokukhenika.
Mina nginenhliziyo yokunceda abantu,
Yeah.
yabo. Futhi my journey is so transformative because i-pageantry is a process of change ne growth.
Yeah.
So uyakhula mawulokhe uhamba le ndlela le. That's when I determined ukuthi okay, kahle mina ngilo muntu lo.
Yeah.
So since ngikule position enguyo manje, I am going to like donate sanitary pads
Yeah.
for amantombazane ey'kolweni because I've done that before. But then sekuthi bekufanele ngenze izinto ngamandla ami.
Yeah.
But then now because I have a search, I can get anywhere
Yeah.
ngikwazi ukusiza.
Yeah.
And also I am looking for ama-sponsors abantu abangangisiza, yeah.
Yeah.
So inhliziyo yami nje ibhekutheni
Ivulekile.
ingisize, yeah.
Yeah. So athi ngigobe kancane. Let's talk about angijazibona wena ukuthi usasemusha. How old are you?
I'm 20 years
20.
old, yeah.
So how do you feel mawubona ontanga bakho doing nothing ngempilo zabo? Uphatha kanjani ukuthi umuntu mawumbuka ukuthi umntanga yami lo, but this person ayikho into akugood kuyo?
At some point I relate because mangiqeda umatric I stayed at home for like a year.
Yeah.
This year kani kuba ne-emotion nje, kani
Oh,
ngithola
yeah.
something. I tried to apply kodwa yabona nje into zama-NSFAS and stuff, okay. But then ngilo muntu ukuthi if akusebenzi ngapha you try something else. So
Yeah.
kubhlungu ukungenzi lutho uhlala
Yeah.
ekhaya ubona ama-peers akho aqhubeka impilo zawo, but then you need to make something out of that
Yeah.
big situation okuyo and come at something out of the situation yakho. There's nothing I can say but phakama.
Yazi nomoya omuhle kanjani? I feel
Ngiyabonga.
like ngathi umntana kaNkulunkulu go to church nje wena. Uyasonda.
Ngiyasonda
Yeah, I can
mina.
see. Yazi
Ngiyasonda.
unobuholy. Unobuholy. Yazi ngiyambona my sis.
Ngiyasonda ngiphansi. Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice. Kumele hlale njalo simdumise uNkulunkulu.
Every time.
Yeah, so
every
that sothola
day.
konke sikufunayo. So now with this journey oyithathile ufuna ukuzibona ukuphi ifiso zakho, ufuna leli thuba leli uma ulithola bese uwenzani ngalo? Asithi manje ke uNkulunkulu kubusisile uwinile number 1. So yoyenzani ke?
aim yami kahle like ngifuna ukuthi ngibe i-reason ukuthi enye intombazane efisa ukuthi ibe kule position enguyo
yebo
ibone ukubaleka kwalento le. Yeah, so my aim ukuthi amantombazane out there bakubona ukubaleka kwe-pageantry.
Yeah.
Because kule process uyakhula, you
Yeah.
find yourself. So yeah, ngifuna kuba i-example to young girls ukuthi okay, you can do this, because a lot of girls are complaining about insecurities,
yeah
anxiety. Umuntu
Yeah.
uzokutshela ukuthi yo like mina
Nento
ngithukile,
kanje, yeah.
mina I can't stand a crowd. Ukuma lapha ya ukhona kanjani? I get those questions, but then
Yeah.
into mawuyifuna amahloni ngeke azakwenzela
Yeah.
lutho.
because uyayazi into efunayo.
Yes.
That's true. Ngiyangithanda kanjani umoya wakho lo uphansi ngakhona aje last time. Guys, please ningakhohlwa lapho emakhaya man. Subscribe man, like lapho man. Angithi uyazi se food buy zone for bafethu. Kodwa enchili sayiphusha lento le. So ke manje my lovely sister ne. Ngifuna sike siphume kancane from
Pageantry.
pageantry and stuff ne. I know growing up usafunda you were not thinking of being a model. Bofuna kuba yini?
Bengifuna ukuba doctor.
So what happened to being a doctor?
Like I said, mawukhula uya realize ukuthi okay,
Azange usafuna ukufunda,
strong kule.
Azange usafuna ukufunda.
No, I
No, uthatha ama shortcut.
mawukhula
Yeah.
ufunda into eziningi ngawe.
Yeah.
Uyabona ukuthi
Get to
okay,
understand yourself better.
kulento le la yabo. So academics angisho kabi, but
Yeah.
then mina like ngifuna kuba kule industry ngikuyo.
Uyayithanda.
Yeah.
Do you like acting? Uyakuthanda uku-actor or you like being a pageant?
I don't think I can act, but just to get
Yeah.
leyo platform, yeah.
Oh, funa lama advert abo
Manive, yeah, namaganya.
Yeah. Sibone wena sekuthela ngamali. Yeah. Fahla.
Yeah,
That's nice, man.
ngizibona ngi-right kuleyo position leyo.
It's nice because of
Ithi,
amantombazana amaningi like acabange indlela eyi-one yabo. So wena you're just taking a different journey. I love that. Nangalento esikhuluma ngayo nami I start to see it njenge career. I start to see it different yabo. So nathi amajita vele lapho siyangena vele nama 6 kodwa nginayo ke. Siyangena kodwa lapha ya. Because of sifuna ukuthi nabo bajoin yabo. Bangene balandele phela nabo.
yeah, with males, I'm not sure, but then ama-runways.
Azikho indawo enjalo nje la bazothi bashlohla khona.
Kukhona, but then edominant kakhulu le yethu vele,
Lena.
because I don't think khona into ekuthiwa Mr. Gauteng.
Uyafuneka
I
ndoda
don't
like
know.
kodwa enchila i director undirector la ngamfaneka like you can see ukuthi lo house ngamthatha simshosha
Okay.
yeah
Yeah.
ngamthatha simfake ezintweni awufuna simfake ezintweni
Angangena.
angangena I believe in eh
Makazithemba yena.
yeah simenza intombazana simfake nje into zakhona amashkarine amashivarine yayibona amashkaramai man uyangibamba mose ungiphethe ungiphethe kahle kahle so manje ke sithando sami let's talk about how do you uhlukanisa kanjani isikhathi sakho noNkulunkulu like isikhathi sakho noNkulunkulu if you understand umupha nini isikhathi yena kanjani ngama Sunday kuphela
No.
oh you always pray umuntu othandazana
Uba nesikhathi for uNkulunkulu every time, every chance oyitholayo, because God is everything.
yeah
Yonke into oyenzayo, every now and then, like I feel like we should tell abantu ukuthi uNkulunkulu uye yonke into, because mawufuna something you tell God.
now ufakazi nakho ufakile
Exactly.
yeah ufakazi
So you awukwazi ukulimita when it comes to God.
so can I ask a question spirituality or religion
Spirituality.
danko awushaye khona bafethu angiphethe usisi wami omuhle bafethu usichazile ukuthi ubani uzama ukuphusha iphupho lakhe bafethu. Cela nimsupport nimvotele bafethu. Facebook account yakho ubatshele lapho, Instagram abachazele lapho sizwe.
Yeah, because ngiyazi ukuthi uzongibuza ukuthi why, but okay, my Facebook account Somatekiso Nemali.
Yey.
My
Yeah, shayizule mshaye.
Instagram
Yeah.
Somatekiso_18, TikTok Usomatekisi.
Akanamali
Yeah.
mara ku Instagram. Pheli.
Nemali.
Unemali ku Facebook.
Yeah.
Ezabula. Mara why Somatekisi onemali? Like manje umuntu bakakufuna ngeke asalahleke like. Mhlawumbe lezi izinto lezi yazi sometimes nokucabanga ukuthi uma bakwazi ukubreak then ku social media yakho so makhahlela ibhuthi. I think abakutholi mase bakusesha abantu.
Okay, namanje kunzima ngoba abantu ukuthi bathi how Miss Gauteng yabo, because a lot of people know me ngoSomatekisi like yilo igama engaziwa ngalo.
And now I start to
So
believe. Uzoyiwina lento yacaba. Uzoyiwina lento. I'm telling you. Ngamanzi abandayo.
Hopefully.
I'm telling you. Uzoyiwina lento. That name nje ndoda is amazing. Yeah, waza nazo mzala.
Okay, uSomatekisi angiphanga umuntu lelo gama ne.
Wazipha wena.
Ngayiqamba mina uSomatekisi.
So mabhoze.
Okay, mangakubuza makuthiwa nje uSomatekisi, what comes to your mind?
Boss. Inkabi. Isiphandi. Umuntu ongalali ngendlala mfethu, umuntu oyenza iplan manje ndoda.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mina lelo gama lelo mangilibona ngalibona the way ulidescribe ngakhona like
Ngiyaprofeta.
gimili powerful yabo.
Yeah.
Because abantu abaningi bayangibuza why Somatekisi umuhle kanje wena Somatekisi, because sina boSomatekisi baze ranki abantu abashayela amatekisi yabo.
Or wa inspire la verse la ka South.
Somatekisi
Babunquma.
yeah.
Avela wachazela etanga
So I don't know why nami ngathi uSomatekisi, but then uSomatekisi ngambona kuyigama elizongiphusha ngibe where I wanted to be.
Do you know uma ngisendela
Because-
friend request I will never accept. Ngiyacanga umjita nje. Usebenzisa iprofile. Somatekisi onemali
So big
like,
profile
nah. Nah. You too gangster.
So yeah, kwaba ilento leyo because I felt ukuthi le gama leli powerful
Yeah.
and
Nami ngiyalithanda.
li different. Li different, so
For intombazana. Yo dog.
esikoleni bathi nginodlami.
Nami sengiyalibona lo dlame. Nami sengiyalibona for real. But you are such a kind person. Yazi umoya wakho phansi shana.
Ngiyabonga.
Uthandela lokho uzowinela futhi nalokho. uNkulunkulu akubusise akwenza ube muhle njalo yabo. Uqhubeke ungakhathali. It's not an easy journey. Angeke kuze kuyenzeke in a blink of an eye. Kunala usazodlula khona ebunzimeni, kunala usazofila like giving up, ungasafuni kuyenza lento leyo. But ubizo makubiza ubizo. Ngeke ulibalekele uzokulanda ngisho ngaphansi kombhede lithi hey ubiziwe wena yenza lento lela. You understand? So don't give up. All I'm trying to say ukuthi qina noma kunzima noma kubhlungu iba nasi isibindi yabo. Because of ngibona inhlonipho nayo ukuthi kwanomama wakho naye bekabekezele ngawe ngentenhle. You understand? Shothi kukhulu kuwe kusazoyenzeka empilweni yakho yabo. Nawe bekezela. Ufunde kumama wakho ukuyiphatha ukuyiqoqo yabo.
Yeah.
Qhubeke njalo kukhanye kuvuleke konke. Hayi ngiyakubusisa mina. Anginawo manje. Ngishaya into zami, ngishaya isipani naniyazi bafethu ukudla ugadla. Into zakhona mashkarani. Yeah, danko. When how did you get this agency? Bangayenzani ukuze nabo babe nama agent azobafaka ezintweni bazithole nabo bamodelela bo soft and free into enjalo nje.
Akukho lula kuba nama rejections vele life in. So one attempt then yafaila
Yeah.
like akumelanga uzitshela ukuthi okay it's over. So nami ngizamile like ngizamile.
Have you been to auditions?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've tried kufaila, but then enye into futhi leyo bengenza ukuthi ngibe insecure ukuthi maybe I'm not fit for lento le.
Nah, my test.
So yeah. So kuba njalo you try uyazama until ufike lapho.
Ufike la ufuna ufikele la.
So yeah, that's how I got Ilorium Agency yole under MS Gauteng.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's nice.
Yeah, well.
Manje awufuna ukubabonga so far ukuthi hey la ngikhona kufana umoya wami sokhululekile sengiya understand senginethunyana ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
To my agency, thank you so much for pushing me. Ngiyabonga ku Coach Musa, the
Salute.
only person on pushile even when I felt ukuthi okay, like I manje because it's too much. Nama opinion wabantu, people will always have opinions. Ama opinion wabantu ukuthi ay ngani nabanye abangani futhi wawungazama enye into yabo because usuka bona ukuthi lo muntu lo wangena la ukude. So I thank ucoach Musa kakhulu no mamami
bonga tamusa
ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi angiphushe ukuthi nga give up because
siyabonga mamzo ngosibusise mamzo di mamzo la akekho umuntu special njengalomuntu awungaya kuyisa akekho umuntu special njengomama akekho umuntu special njengomama labo bantu banesinye space enhlizweni zethu ezingayeke noma umuntu angaadvise akutshele kanjani ngoma wakho angeke uzuyikholelwe lento leyo uzokholelwa kulento yaziyo wena yabo so manje bengifuna ukwazi yabo how do you deal nama situations akukhalisayo akuzwisa ubuhlungu mangabe there are people who don't believe maybe you face some rejection and stuff. How do you deal nalento leyo? Because of certain people they will do drugs, you understand? Certain people they will smoke weed, do izinto ezingekho right because basije ukuthi bona bakhipha ubuhlungu. When how do you deal with problems?
Njengomuntu o creative like I've mentioned ukuthi ngi creative kakhulu. So I think into engiyenzayo leyo most of the times when I feel ukuthi okay hayi manje siyakhala
yabo
yeah but I've always believed ukuthi ama convictions ami yiwo like angipushayo azohleza angiphusha ukuthi nga give up personal reasons angeke ithi ngifaila today ngithi phelile yiyo ifaila yiyo into engenza ukuthi ngiqhubeke
so manje wena umntana seSoweto ebutsotini esijimbosini ebukhosini eKasila Makasi what's your favorite food eKasi and where's your favorite place eKasi
yo ikota
uthanda ikota mama ngithi uzothi isikopho sika Edward nyana
ngithanda ikota Dijong
the best that's nice thanda yona mina uzama ukwayizwa leya la ekhaya yo ngicela ngilethele inkota vele nje bese simodele uzoyizwa the best football zone 4 aziyakhala uzoyeka iDijong. I'm telling you definitely 100% ziyakhala laba fethu. This is hulumeni hulu amanyulunyulu hulumeni the government himself uzonda bamthanda indoda engahleki namadoda ihleka nabafazi ngoba yazothola ubumnandi lakho ke bafana bakithi ziyakhala ke manje ke football kodwa enchini manje sihleli lana bafethu condolences ku family ka SK bafethu. We've lost the presenter as you see me now njengoba sengipresenter sengimusha ngikhona la ngishaya into zakhona alale ngoxolo umfowethu SK. He was a good talented guy ube actor, he has been kuyisitha yabo bekazama shem manje kwenzeke something nje yazi uNkulunkulu mase yakukhumbulile yakuthatha. We've lost a soldier, we've lost ibhoza bafethu bese kashayila ama episode nyana sithi kumndeni wakubo aliyehleli ngayishanga bafethu lapha intokazi enhle bafethu intombi enyathela ngabantwana sengiyazi okuningi ngayo sesazi nathi okuningi sesikulalele namanje sisafuna ukuya deep sazi ukuthi uyintombi enjani siswami ngizabathi uyintombi nto yazi makuthi uyintombi nto ngivele ngiyiqhenye njengendoda mangisakwazi ukuthi ngibuke intokazi eziphethe njengawe eziqoqile ezihloniphayo. Ngisacela ungichazele kabanzi ngabo lobu ntombi ngoba utshitshi lobu obuhloniphayo owakhetha ukuthi wena uzigcine njengomuntu wesifazana usihloniphe.
Okay, ngaqala le journey I think I was doing grade 6.
Yeah.
Bekuba nama functions zoma heritage esikoleni yabo.
Yeah.
So bebasgroupa kuba amaZulu, amaTswana yabo. Yaqala lapho because bekunabadala ukudlula thina, so yibo bebascoach yabo basho usenze kanjani.
Yeah.
Bona ke bebahlolwa vele
Yeah.
yabo. So ngayithanda lento le from there ukuthi yo hayi yabo la. And then from there ke I joined ngakhuluma nabo bona labadala bangihlanganisa ukuthi okay group esozo ithola sila yebo. Okay kwaba into enjalo nje ke from grade 6 yeah until now
lokho uhamba umhlanga
yes
uhlonipha uziqoqile uzithanda njengomuntu esifazana so angeke ngize ngithi awukazi wajola noma wathandana so ufila kanjani umuntu othandana naye musuzomtshela ukuthi lalela mina ngihamba lendlela le angihambi lendlela le yebo singathandana kodwa kukhona la nawe ongeke wadlula khona ungakayenzi okumele kuyenze okuyisiko nawe uyakwazi lokho so ufila kanjani lo muntu othandana nawe musumtshela ukuthi mina ayingitshitshi mina
iqiniso ukuthi uma uhamba lendlela le
yeah
you are not dating maso wenza usuke yabo soku experience nanani but then akufanelanga uyichaze kumuntu ukuthi kuzoba kanjena kanje mina abantu abangaziyo vele bangazi ukuthi ya somatekisi ya uyahlolwa yabo intombazane enjalo so
usuke sekazi umuntu
makeza
uyoshayisa nje usifake ebhasini
I never got to isikhathi ukuthi ngi-explain emntwini ukuthi kuzoba kanje nakanje
and futhi usomatekisi
yebo so straight lento le akunama discussion ayikho into esoyidiscussa because ngiyintombi ngiyahlolwa yeah
but I feel mina njengomjidi yabo intona sekasi intona seSoweto intona eGrand yabo I don't think ukuthi bengayi understand from the one yabo ukuthi like I'm putting myself into a relationship whereby asikwazi ukwela ngale intaba yabo angifuni ukuyihlaziya ngibeke ebhlapha kanjalo kodwa awukwazi like ukwela intaba so uyangi-understand into
engizama ukuyisho ukuthi mawukule kulento
le
usike nje uyobona mhla vele so uphumile wa decide ukuthi because ayikho i-conversation ozoba nayo nomuntu wazi ukuthi imithetho bekelwe yona nje i-straight
so uyabekelwa lapha ebutshitshini ukuthi uzobreaka ngalesi sikhathi okanye ulinde umshado okanye kenzakalani yinto osifake phakathi lapha usifundise ngokuthi yini izinto abanifundisa zona
okay
yabo nathi sibe nolwazi so let's sokwazi kuba patient masothola abantu abahamba indleleni ihamba yeah
so ebuntombini they teach us ukuthi intombazane iziphatha kanjani
yeah
nama chores because most of the times asifunde emakhaya abanye abafunde emakhaya so lapha you learn everything imse ukwenza umqombothi stuffs like that because sihlangene ngobuZulu samaZulu
kahle so banikhanda nizokwazi kuba abafazi aba-right
yes so siyakhuliswa at the same time akekho umuntu ozokutshela ukuthi wenzeni uyeke nini
abakulandeleli
yes because mina I chose ukuthi ngizambele
yeah
then ke umndeni wami decide ukuthi okay if into ifunayo sokusupport
and futhi it's a good thing
yeah
so uthi wena ukhula ekhaya ukhuliswa umama kuphela
yeah
ubaba what happened to ubaba ile nto zakhona ungangitsheli lokho ushaye lezo vele
yeah
awushaya isijida siyibiza ngesijida
ubaba ngikhulela kude naye ngiyamazi yena but then I relationship yami naye
ayikho that close
ayikho soli njengeka umama uyiyo yonke into
is he a supporting father uyafaka noma yini leyo ukuthi nawe ukwazi ukuthola ukuyeswini
ngaleso sikhathi
angeke uzuthi is a bad person or uyazama
I wouldn't say umuntu bad but then I feel like I'm the one who should go umkhumbuza umuntu ukuthi you know I need this and that
hayi ukuthi
mangezi kuwe you don't come to me
because vele kuye wena uyi-responsibility yakhe.
Yeah.
But sekuwe manje lokhu ushanela manje uza kuzomfuna izinto kuba ngathi manje soyamnaka. Kanti vele bafethu kanti kuzophelelaphi lento le. But I love this generation yethu yabona thina we are good fathers, thina we are good leaders, thina sidlala. Thina kusakhalwa ngathi bafethu. Sayishintsha lento sayibhekisa le thina asiphili leyo mpilo leyo ukungasupport abantwana unganaka abantwana. Sifuna ukushintsha lo mqondo lo, sifuna ukuthi ngakusasa abantwana bethu bahlale bajabulile, bazi ukuthi ubaba bekakhona, bazi ukuthi ubaba uyaphila. So manje uhamba isikolo yazi uma umntana entombazane ubaba engekho kuba nobunye ubunzima ohlangana nabo umntana esikolo kufana nani for an example kukhona ama meeting yabo kukhona maybe into oyenza esikoleni uyamdinga umzali azokusupport ukabona ingane zabelungu kenzwani umzali bazi bamfo afike kuleyo nto leyo afika kusupport you understand so when have you been supported by your father naku matric njengoba uqeda umatric wafikani wakubamba ngesandla wakuyisa lapha yana uyalwazi lolo thando lolo noma kumele uzuliforce nalo futhi still
I feel like kumele si-forced.
Asabo makhula kanzi.
Yeah. I feel like kumele umuntu uze it's like ngiyakhumbuza ukuthi mfethu phela ngingane yakhe bo.
Yeah.
Into enjalo. Unlike umama uyenza ungakabuzi nokubuza yebo. So yeah, i-relationship yami naye yeah.
So do you have like sabo bhuti abantwana bakini amalume gogo bakhona abantu abanjani?
Yes,
Who's your favorite? Uba noshanyayo la.
Angifuni ukusho ngoba ngifike endlini.
Mele umkhizi. Wena simteste Paulos. Wampela.
Angifuni ukusho but then yeah, ikhaya nje ikhaya liwom.
Elifudumele.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ku right nje ekhaya.
Yeah. Kunabo bani awungichazeli phela ukuthi kuno
kahle abantu aba-occupy nje
i-charity
ama-cousin abomzala mina I have 2 siblings bese kuba umamami the rest ke
wena ekhaya ngathi lo muntu ongakhuluma
mina ngikhulumi
ile nto engeni ivalele kamereni naka indaba zakhe ukuthi bayashayana benzana ukho lapho
instead ngiyahleka
I can see uthanda ispace sakho ipeace yakho ashem ukuthula is the best acha yeah I think the way ukhula ngakhona uzikhulisa ngakhona nale way kini bakukhulisa ngakhona uzoba intombi eqotho uzoba umfazi womunye umuntu oqotho owazi isiko owaziyo ukuzithoba ukuzibekela phansi akukho okubaluleke njengaloko njengendoda uzothola intombi ekwazi ukuzibekela phansi esithobile nomoya ophansi yabo so uhlala uzivalele don't regret it you are teaching yourself izinto eziningi ukuthula kokuqala abantu abaningi bahlula ukuthula yabo mongenaka ukuthula ezinye izinto angeke uzuyithole ngoba mongenaka ukuthula uhlala ubalisa you understand so mina ngiyayithanda i-character yakho keep it up you'll be something else life ngiyakutshela kade ngisho lento le kade ngiqalile like you don't stop amazing me so who's your best friend uhamba nobani uze nobani la ngiyambona phela ushaya into zakhona azakhala ukadiwe wena
best friend yami I came with my brother.
Is your brother?
Best friend yami uLisiho.
Lisiho. Ngaba isibonga.
Makhuphula.
Makhuphula. Khuphula lapho. Khuphula.
I know uzowabhekile uzothi mntwana wena wayenza kahle. Yeah, umngani wami loyo.
Yeah, la ngifa khona ufa khona.
Sisuka eFont sonke.
Yeah.
Cause besibaningi man but then angithi maniphume esikoleni niya splitter abanye.
And there's always a good news about a best friend. Awusitshela how did you meet? Mhlawumbe na meet ngokushana ngempama. Phela yazi impama nayo inokukhanda ubungani.
Nix I think uLesiko ngamthola komunye. Angithi bathi umuntu umthathe emntwini.
Wena uhamba uthatha abangani.
So uLesiko mina naye sahlangana vele I think we were doing grade 11. Yeah. Bekanomunye close naye yabo.
Yeah. So mina la ngakhe-break ngomba nento engenangqondo. Hamba na.
So yeah, sahlangana kanjalo man. Saqala ukuba yi3 naye lo beka close naye.
Awasala endleleni.
After ke angazi kwenzakaleni but then we became more closer noLesiko.
And I can see ukuthi you having a supportive brother uhamba nawe uhlala hamba nawe vele nalawo yakhona.
but uyangisupporta
support
yena,
is
yeah.
always there
Yeah.
as a brother. Yeah, we are lucky and blessed because uhamba nomuntu uhamba nabantu abadala yabo. Kahle kahle you are spiritually guided. Singasho kanjani. You are spiritually guided. So any community activities usazowayenza or wayenzile because I can see ukuthi umqondo wakho.
Okay, last year
Yeah.
I've worked near Volkswagen.
Yeah, VW.
Yeah, iyo beyingifanda, so basically besiya
Sibonge.
high school ikole ngizambile iMaribane.
Yeah.
They know me.
Yeah.
iMaribane, Deepdale, Fonts, Fidelitas,
Yeah.
I think ne Rivali sinye samakhalati.
Yeah.
Yeah, so masifika la phayana besi donate ama sanitary pads.
Yeah.
Kahle kahle bekuyi campaign yamantombazane. So bengihamba no man, the broadcaster,
Which one?
sports broadcaster
Marawa.
no.
Who?
Man, this is law.
Usisi. Sport broadcaster sisi Carol. Isn't Carol?
Oli, yeah.
Yeah.
Oli. Bengisebenza no sis Oli.
Yeah.
Yeah. So yena beka deliver speech
Yeah.
and stuff, motivator, empowerment and
Yeah.
stuff, and then we would deliver whatever
Yeah.
Volkswagen base phile.
So when umuntu onenhliziyo enhle, so umuntu like office ukuba like orphanage home, feeding scheme, uyazifisa lezo zinto lezo whereby you help those who can't get, you understand?
Yeah.
Abangakutholi ukudla, abangakutholi impahla, abangakutholi proper education. You want to be there now.
Yeah, kahle kahle I want to help amantombazane kakhulu. Ngifuna ukuba
Yeah.
ne-model academy mina.
So there's this thing about abantu abarich bathi abantu abafana nawe abanenhliziyo enhle njengawe abaphumeleli ngoba mabathola bayapha. Is it true?
I don't think so.
Bathi to become rich kumele ube stingy,
Kumele ube stingy.
yeah, bathi kumele ube stingy ube silehe. Bathi uyabona mawufana nawe unalenhliziyo enhle le ucabangela abantu. But you don't become rich. Is it true nje ukuthi vele. Angithi ushintshe umqondo nokucabanga kwakho kokwenza izinto. Right ngendlela yenza ngazo izinto enzela abantu. Ungapheli uthando lokwenza. But ngibuza umbuzo ukuthi is it true ukuthi vele like abaphumeleli most abantu abafana nawe?
No, I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think
Now
so.
I feel like they are being blessed.
Kuyo yonke into eyenzakalayo kuhlezi kuba khona i-side eli-positive neli-negative.
Neli-negative.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I don't think it's possible. Khona kuleyo field leyo ukhona umuntu ozoba nenhliziyo enhle aphumelele khona yeah, so nje
Let's take it there again. Let's say this thing doesn't work. So yoyenzani ke?
angifuni ukuthi sikhulume ukuthi it won't work.
There must be a plan B. Plan B nyana nje. Nyana. If it doesn't work, sithi nje angeke izisebenza. Kuthiwa nje le yawona le nje i-safety belt osulifake kuthiwa cha. Ngeke izisipane le. Uzoyenzana after lapho? Yini into obona ukuthi ingakusurvivisa futhi ukuthi ukwazi na uphile njengabanye abantu abaphilayo ube successful?
Okay, ngaphandle kwe-beauty, I think ngiyazibona ema-ofisini.
Wenzani ofisini?
Sebenza nje.
Usifonele usifuna ikolota?
No, nje usebenza nje ube
Yeah.
like an entrepreneur.
Yeah.
Or ngibuyele esikoleni because vele isikolo yeah.
Do you like business? Uyathanda izinto zama-business, starting a business? Are you that person nje office who owner i-company yakhe or something?
Anything include a-beauty.
Oh
Yeah.
usishala ama-makeup
Yeah, so
wakho,
ngasho kanjalo yeah.
usishala amalona kubrande lapho into zakho.
Probably create i-brand yami
Yeah.
yeyinwele or
Yeah. That's what's up. Yeah, umqondo uyasebenza mfethu because of amantombazane ubuhle nabuthanda. So ibusiness lakho obvious izophumelela. Dambo izinto zakhona. Bafethu this is huluhulu manyulunyulu uhulumeni the government himself uzonda bamthanda indoda engahleli namadoda ehleka nabafazi ngoba yazothola ubumnandi. Bengihleli nenkakara la ngihleli nenkunzi madoda ngihleli nentokazi intombi nto siphalaphala sentombi hawu shikila bhensi ufazi wesithembu madoda ngiyakhala ngaye ngithi hawu ntokazi umoya wakho uphansi kamnandi yazi ngiyabonga ukufika kwakho lapha ekhaya
Ngiyabonga
ungibusise yes isimali sakhona umoya uphansi madoda ziyakhala bafethu please don't forget to subscribe bafethu to our channel bafethu PSC bafethu sikhona da siyabagijimisa uhulumeni signing out bafethu ngiyanithanda ngothando olukhulu ongeneke ngaze ngalichaza wala.
Oh, mina esidini lami, I wanted to say to any girls out there abafila ngathi bangakhuluma nami with anything regards ukuthi ufila kanjani or you are considering ukuthatha ijourney, you can contact me. Yeah, ngi-available.
I'll share my number lapho.
068
Dango.
665
Yebo.
9226.
Please repeat.
Yeah. 068 665 9226.
Uyeke lo somatekisi bafethu somatekisi onemali somatekisi oyenza izinto bafethu she's willing ukuthi nawe siswami mangabe uyakhala nawe mangabe ufuna i-direction nawe mangabe ufuna i-safety belt yabo endleleni yakho na ube grand ungamthinta ukhulume naye she's willing ukuthi advise she's willing to talk to you morning inkinga amoshoda ukhala she's willing to open her inhliziyo yakhe for wena so ngiyacela ke ningamdeleli nibone ukulunga kwakhe njengoba nibiza ukuthi nina nisondele ningamdeleli nibone ukulunga kwakhe nimhloniphe bafethu ngoba naye yanithanda yanicabangela akekho umuntu ofana naye onganicabangela sebasikarisa abantu abakanje emhlabeni siyabonga kakhulu bafethu danko.